Introducing Film Away, your winter floor care solution. Winter weather brings challenges for cleaning professionals, especially with salt residue stains on floors. Film Away is a neutral detergent with unique ice melter residue neutralizing properties, which can help. Film Away can be used on various surfaces, including floors and carpets. Film Away's dilution process is simple and effective. Dilute as per instructions and spray generously on the carpet. Wait for 15 minutes while it breaks down the salt. Next, use your carpet extraction equipment to rinse and suck up the liquid. Your mats will look like new again. And here's the best part. When you purchase a jug of Film Away, we will plant a tree on your behalf in Madagascar through our Buy One, We Plant One program. Clean, protect, and make a positive impact with every purchase. Dustbane, since 1908,